What's up, guys? It's me. I'm vlogging. This time is on my camera because I get sound on my camera. So anyway, I'm so back to being making vlogs again, guys. I know you want sound. You know what I did? I hit Kuwait. It's like you hold down like 3 minutes, and then like 2 minutes. All of a sudden, you get like no sound on your YouTube channel. Back then, I used my camera app on my phone. That's why I got sound with it. Putting my light on. Anyway, I'm about to play my game. Guys, you all know Bo Nix? You guys have to do the Denver Broncos. I'm not a fan of the Broncos because I'm a Green Bay guy. And look, see guys? That's joining love. Josie. Anyway. Also. Anyway. If you don't know me, my name is Harry. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the post on, and make sure if guys don't miss out this vlogs. It would be lit. Anyway, guys, guys, look at this. It is raining right there. Look, how could this happen? It's supposed to be sunny. Right, Hunter? Yeah. Okay, you're here. Sorry. That was my impression of my brother. Right there is my brother. Anyway. Make sure. Oh, and also, comment. What's your favorite vlogs back then? When I breakneck with the Lego. That's hilarious. Make sure you watch that. Comment. Or maybe I could do Jack Griffin. Anyway. Guys, you know I'll be doing description for YouTubers. I see one of YouTuber but for like FaceTiming like a celebrities. I want to be a celebrity on YouTube. Right now, I'm making it from my camera app to the real YouTube. That's why I got sound back then. I'm doing it again, guys. Make sure you hit subscribe. Oh, yep. Sorry. Back to the vlog. Anyway, guys, look. This is New York. I love New York. Because I'm not moving to New York. Because I'm moving to Chicago. Because my brother is in Chicago. Allison, Chris, everything. Oh, hey guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this. And make sure we're going to the meal. Woo! Guys, thank you for watching this. Make sure you hit subscribe, select all. And make sure you give it a like, comment down below. Where's your favorite part of my YouTube journey? And I gotta say, thank you for watching this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!